Welcome to HUBS Manila. Are you an investor or OFW seeking a golden opportunity where you can invest your hard-earned money while working abroad? Look no further. HUBS boasts a team of experienced property management professionals who handle day-to-day operations, ensuring hassle-free ownership for investors. From maintenance to tenant relations, you can trust that your investment is in capable hands. HUBS is strategically situated in the heart of Manila, offering unparalleled access to key business districts, transportation hubs, entertainment centers, and lifestyle convenience. HUBS isn't just a place to live, it's a lifestyle. Investors can be confident that their tenants will enjoy an array of premium amenities, including fitness centers, swimming pools, co-working spaces, and relaxation zones. This translates to higher tenant retention and increased property value. The demand for modern, urban co-living spaces is on the rise. HUBS cater to this demand by providing sleek, contemporary condominiums that resonate with the preference of the target market. With a steady stream of young, motivated professionals and university students seeking convenient and upscale living spaces, HUBS offer a lucrative opportunity for rental income. As an investor, you'll benefit from stable cash flow and potential appreciation over time. Join the community of smart investors who are capitalizing on the vibrant real estate market of Manila. And by investing in HUBS, you're not just acquiring a condominium unit, you are securing a worry-free investment. Contact us today to learn more and take the first step toward a rewarding investment journey. Thanks for watching! Type your questions below to find out more and visit www.realestatephilippines.ph to see more of this amazing project.